Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. My name is Victor Kwejer, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with a business building blocks episode 32 for 2023. Now, every successful man I have heard of has done the best he could with conditions as he found them. This is by Edgar Watson Howe. Now, one of the easiest scapegoats in life and in business as I interact with entrepreneurs every day is the excuse, I do not have the funds or the money to start the business. However, in reality, it is the presence of limitations and challenges that often birth the real entrepreneurs. Now, if you believe you're an entrepreneur, the challenges you face is your opportune moment to manifest the entrepreneur in you. And I check the history. Everyone that you know out there who's an entrepreneur started with almost nothing, and they had to make it along the way. The lack, the limitations brought out the creativity in them. It brought out the innovative abilities in them. It stirred up the ideas and the strategies that they needed to be able to carve their way through the challenges that they face. So if you're an entrepreneur, you have no excuse. Prove it by stepping out there and taking advantage of the challenges to showcase what is in you. Because every challenge presents an opportunity to prove your worth and commitment to the vision. Your ability to thrive and establish lasting success is tied to this. Never give up. Take this challenge on and be the entrepreneur in you. I hope this motivated and inspired you. All right. So as a business coach and consultant, I'm always excited and glad to help you. So if you are looking to start a business or you're already an existing business, you need to grow your business, do not hesitate to get in touch. I'll be more than glad to help you. And also look out for our podcast, which is coming soon. It's going to be very insightful, educative, and very informative. More detailed, we're going to share a lot of more information. So get ready for it and you will not be disappointed. And finally, by popular request, we are coming up once again with our book writing workshop. We had one last month and it was a great success. Those who came attested to that fact. Just read the description section. You will find a link there to register for the next one, which is on the 18th of March, 2023. It's a Saturday evening. It's an online event, so you can join from anywhere in the world. Just go to the description section, click on the link and sign up. Make sure to complete the process and to book your seat. It is going very insightful. I have written 13 books, published 8 to date, and I've helped so many other authors write their books with the same principles, strategies, and tips and ideas I've developed over the years. 10 ways to write your book in 10 days. And I bet you it works. Get in touch, sign up, and let's help you birth your authorship dream this year. Thank you once again, and God richly bless. I look forward to